Good morning. This is Miss Mansky with your first mini lesson of the week. I hope that you had a good Memorial Day weekend and were able to spend some time outside and spend some time with family, and that you're able to be staying safe and healthy during these really crazy times. But without further ado, let's get started with today's lesson. Just to recap, since it's been a week since we last talked about this, to answer the question in today's exit ticket, you are using the RACE strategy, which is to restate the question, answer all parts of the question, cite the text, and explain how your citation supports your answer. Can't emphasize enough that in ninth grade, you are really going to be expected to be able to explain any citation that you include in a text, and you are definitely going to be expected to include a citation in your text because that is how you prove your claim about whatever it is you're saying the author is saying. So this is the passage that we're going to be looking at today. It's called Frostbite, and I'm going to read it for you now. If you like to explore the wilderness and participate in cold weather activities like cross-country skiing, you are at risk for a dangerous injury during the cold months. This injury is called frostbite. Frostbite is when your skin and the tissues just beneath your skin begins to freeze. Your body's extremities are the most often at risk. Your fingers, toes, ears, and nose, for example. This is because when faced with extreme cold, your body works to keep your core warm, since your core contains your vital organs. The blood vessels in the skin of your extremities begins to constrict, and the blood is sent towards your core. When faced with frostbite, your skin begins to tingle or sting. Eventually, your skin feels numb. Mild cases of frostbite can be treated by gradually rewarming the affected parts of the body. However, you can lose toes and fingers if your frostbite is severe enough. To avoid it, dress in warm layers and do not leave skin exposed, especially when you'll be outdoors for long periods of time. All right, so there's an exit ticket attached to the email about this lesson. Use the passage to complete the exit ticket. This is what it looks like. So use the RACE strategy to answer the following question. What happens to the body as frostbite sets in? Okay, so you have to use this passage to answer that question about what we just read. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you are having a good week of digital learning, and I will talk to you again soon. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and goodbye.